Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best toddler chalkboard easel available, the Tiny Land Easel for kids. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and eco-friendly art station for your little one, this wooden easel might just be the perfect fit. Right out of the box, the Tiny Land Easel impresses with its solid construction made from natural pine wood. The craftsmanship is clear. Each piece is carefully polished, giving it a smooth, child-friendly finish. This is no flimsy plastic toy. It's built to last through years of creative play, making it an excellent investment for kids aged 3 to 10. The natural wood also adds a classic look that fits well in any playroom or classroom setting. One of the standout features of this easel is its adjustable height. It can be set at 3 different levels, ranging from 41 inches to 46 inches, so it grows alongside your child. Whether your toddler is just starting to explore drawing or your older kids want a comfortable surface to create masterpieces, this easel adapts perfectly. Now, the Tiny Land Easel is truly an all-in-one creative station. On one side, there's a magnetic dry erase whiteboard, perfect for drawing with markers or attaching magnetic letters and numbers. Flip it around, and you get a classic chalkboard surface that invites endless doodling and learning. But it doesn't stop there. The easel also features a locking paper roll holder with 2 rolls of drawing paper included. This means your child can pull down fresh paper whenever inspiration strikes, making it ideal for painting, sketching, or practicing handwriting. The storage tray at the bottom is thoughtfully designed and made entirely of wood, complementing the overall sturdy build. It includes space for chalk, markers, paint cups, or other art supplies, keeping everything organized and within reach. Plus, the included painting cups offer a neat solution for water or paint, encouraging kids to dive into messy art without worrying about spills. This easel isn't just a toy, it's a learning tool that supports hands-on development. Kids can practice math, spelling, drawing, and more, all while developing their fine motor skills and creativity. It's a screen-free option that parents and educators will appreciate for encouraging active, imaginative play. Setup is straightforward and user-friendly, taking minimal time to get everything ready for use. And thanks to its solid wood frame, it stays steady during use, which is great for kids who tend to get enthusiastic about their artwork. Overall, the Tiny Land Easel offers a wonderful balance of quality, functionality, and versatility. Whether it's for home use, homeschooling, or even classroom environments, it provides children with a dedicated space to express themselves artistically and academically. Its eco-friendly materials and durability also mean it's designed to be part of your child's creative journey for years to come. If you're searching for a toddler chalkboard easel that combines style, practicality, and educational benefits, the Tiny Land Easel for kids is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights on the best products for your family, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you next time.